For this project, I'm going to use this lovely mosaic bird, and I'm going to be using the background papers and also the mirror, and I'm going to create my own 3D from the set as well. So first of all, you need to print out the papers you need to use. I've got the background, the bird here, and I've got various backgrounds in various effects and sizes. Now, I've taken an A4 sheet of card and I've equally measured it so it folds nicely into 3, and that just folds like that, like a concertina. So that's the front of the card and that is the back. So what I'm going to do is stick these on. I've already cut out some of the backing papers that go on each of the one section here, so I'll stick those down. So there's your card like that, opening that way and that way. So it stands up like that. Now what I'm going to do is add the birds. Now what I've done here is I've printed them out and I've done the decoupage with them. But what I'm going to do first is stick this on here. So when that opens up, it looks like a 3D. I've also cut out 3 strips of blue card just to give it a little bit of definition. So I'm going to stick those down first before I add my bird. Now as you can see, I've stuck the 3 lines down there, just gives you a bit of definition, and I've folded it like that so I've got the bird on the front, but I've also put on the back the reverse of the bird, the mirror image, so that goes over like that. So you've got a card like that, but you can also, if you want, do the 3D over the top. And then you end up with the 3D card like that. You've got the bird on both sides. You can write sentiments, but you can also open it up to stand like that. And you've also got the bird on the other side, so it still looks good.